On June 6th, Latvia showed off its new incoming infantry fighting vehicle named Hunter, or Mednieks in the Latvian language. The vehicle was presented at the Valmiera military vehicle assembly facility, which is led by Patria Latvia. As explained by Latvian public broadcaster LSM, the tracked vehicle will principally be used by Latvia's Land Forces Mechanized Infantry Brigade. Let's take a closer look at this progress for today's video. Before we begin, a lot of the footage you see here is from Latvian public broadcaster LTV, as it was one of the few available sources. We hope they don't move to have our video taken down, but if the video does disappear suddenly, you'll know why. But moving on, the name Hunter/Mednieks is said to symbolize the heritage of the Latvian people as riflemen, and clearly shows the tasks of infantry fighting vehicles on the battlefield, to hunt and destroy opponents. Commenting on how the new machine will be used, Brigadier General Kaspars Danauskis, Deputy Chief of the Joint Staff of Latvia's National Armed Forces, said this at the launch event. It'll be used for maneuver operations where it is necessary to level the front, where it is necessary to carry out attacks, where it is necessary to operate in active defense. If you didn't already know, the Latvian Hunter is based on the ASCOD platform developed by the Spanish company General Dynamics European Land Systems. LSM states that the platform has NATO standard Level 4 armor. Being an IFV, Mednieks will be armed with an automatic cannon as its primary weapon, along with a machine gun as secondary, along with anti-tank weapons. Army recognition states the following specific equipment is being part of the Hunter platform. The turret will be the Israeli UT-30 Mark II turret from Elbit Systems, which is dual-axis stabilized and supports firing on the move at stationary and moving targets. As the turret name suggests, the gun will be 30mm, the Mark 44 Bushmaster II chain gun to be more precise. Again, as seems to be quite common with IFVs, a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun will be the secondary weapon, while it was suggested that the Spike LR2 could be the anti-tank guided missile system for this IFV. Latvian officials noted that the platform can be adapted to changes in how war is waged in the future, mentioning drone warfare as one example. It said that the ASCOD 2's open architecture allows technologies to be easily and quickly integrated. Relatively new Defense Minister Raivis Melnis had this to say at the event. The three biggest things that our mechanized brigade will gain. They will gain muscle with which to fight, strike if necessary, and protect their country. The second, of course, is our industry, a benefit for industry. The development of industry, capacity, education, experience, so that we can produce not only for Latvia but also go further and produce for our neighbours if necessary. And the third, of course, is the economic benefit for the state of Latvia. Unpacking this comment, the Ministry of Defence signed a contract with General Dynamics European Land Systems for the supply of 42 infantry fighting vehicles, but months later agreed to double that commitment to 84 vehicles over 2 years. It's reported that General Dynamics will supply the rolling stock to Latvia, while Patria Latvia will assemble other components needed while also preparing each vehicle for tests. Maintenance and servicing will also be provided by Patria Latvia. What do you think of Latvia's decision to go with an ASCOD 2-based IFV? What do you think of their choice of turret? Let us know by leaving a comment.